I'm planning on installing these rotors from AC Delco, these brake pads from Toyota on my 2001 Camry tomorrow morning. I'm just getting prepped this evening. I have a printout from the parts counter, all the part numbers, help me know where to put stuff. I also got a printout of torque specs I got off the internet. Hopefully they're correct. Got the brake spreader, various chemicals, brake cleaner, brake grease, and some deep penetrant gloves, a couple of rags, an old toolbox with a half-inch cooking tools on top that I figured I'd need, 17mm, 21mm, 14mm, magnet tray on the flashlight, light in the second drawer, and on the bottom drawer. I got the 3/8 cooking tools I think I'm going to need, 17 and 14mm sockets, ratchets, extensions, and a spinner. Later in the day, when it's not so early, I plan to use the impact tools on the other side because they were over-torqued on this side. I torqued them to spec when I inspected them, but the other side is still probably over-torqued, so I want to use